Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Now today's video is the long-awaited living room tour. Now for those of you that haven't been watching my channel before, we've basically been doing a couple of bathrooms in the house and the living room. When we moved in, we just sort of decorated the living room around the sofas that we already had, so it's been really lovely to get it just how we want it, and I'm really pleased with the end result. It's not 100% finished, there's still pictures to go up on the walls and things, but I wanted to wait and find exactly what I wanted and do it right. So they've still got to be done, but other than that it's all done and I am super happy with it. So I'll insert a bit of footage now of what it looked like before, and then I shall take you in for the guided tour. Okay, so here we are. Now I've had to close the curtains because the sun is just blinding today, so that's why they're closed. But this is what you see when you come in. So I'll start in this corner here. So just got this mirror, which is from IKEA, which I had it in the old lounge before. It was actually above the sofa. And then this very cute little lantern, which is from Dunelm, and so are the candles. They're like LED ones. They've got like a little remote control, very high tech. They are meant to be fragrance, but I can't say as I really smell anything off, but I love the effect of them sort of blowing away there. And then if we move on to the sofa, so I'm so happy with this. So this is from DFS. It's actually called the Eloise. Not sure the shade. I've got a feeling it was ash, but I'll try and find it out. But I'm really pleased. This is the 4-seater sofa. The throw on the end is just an old one that I had actually. I'm not even sure where I got that one from, but I just plonked it over the edge there. And then the cushions. So the white ones at the back are home base. They were only £5. And then ones at the front. Now I saw some on Laura Ashley that I loved, but they were like £50 each and I just couldn't spend that on a cushion. So I actually typed the name of them into eBay and it came up with these. So they're like a copy of them, but it's the same design. So we actually got the two for £22, I think. On this back wall, I want to do like a gallery wall, but I really want to take my time and get it right. So it's looking a bit plain behind there, but it will get done eventually. So just the same two cushions on the other side. And then over to this, we've just got like a little nested tables here. These were from Wayfair. They're like a grey sort of leg and then a wooden top. The coasters were just from like a local garden centre. The tray on there is from Home Sense. Where were they from now? This is testing my memory now. I'm pretty sure that the flower holder was from Dunelm and the flowers were as well. And then my little Aldi candle. This is number 2, Blackberry and Bay. They smell really nice. I've got them all over the place. And then if I stand back up, this lamp is from Wayfair. I really like that in the corner. And if we move around, the curtains are from Dunelm as well. If I just take you back this way, we bought the matching footstool to the sofa, and then it's just got an IKEA furry rug on it. But I really like that. It's nice and big, so at Christmas it can be like an extra seat for people. So we have quite a few people. And then just over to the sofa area. So we already actually had this unit. It was from Next quite a few years ago, but it's actually one that sort of goes in at the back, so it fits nicely into the corner without taking up too much space. And then just a little frame, which I imagine was probably from IKEA, because most of my frames are. It's just got a picture of us on holiday this year. And then over to this little area. So the reed diffuser is from Aldi, and the scent Sweet Almond and Macaroon. It smells lovely. The artichoke and the candle are actually from Hudson Home. I went on their website and just fell in love. There's so much gorgeous stuff on there. And then we've got this like little, I don't know if it's wicker or seagrass, one of the two. And it was from Home Base. I think it was about £17 if I remember. And then that's just literally full of throws because the kids are always love their blanket. And then just onto the fire area. So we already had the fireplace and the fire. Just a little candle down there, which is from Dunelm. And then the candle thing that's over the top, I'm sure there's a proper name for it, but that's from IKEA as well. So we kept the same fireplace, obviously. And then that candle holder there is from Home Sense, and then just an IKEA candle in it. And then that's just one of the pound candles from Dunelm that you get. And then the mirror is from the range. I really, really, really like this. I did see a white one I liked, but it didn't quite go right on the fireplace because it's like a beigey colour. I thought it would look a bit too stark against it, so we went with the sort of silvery one. I'm really, really pleased with that. It sheds a lot of light into the room as well. There's me. And then the vase and the snowberries, I really like these. There's 2 sprigs of them in there, and these are from Hudson Home as well. I'm really pleased with that. I quite like the dark tone on there as well. So that just looks super cozy when the fire's on. And then over to this corner, I really like it. It's so cute. It's nice to sit there with a little drink and put your drink on the console table. Now the console table itself is from Wayfair, and I've got to be honest, I love the look of it and it fits perfectly, but it's not the best quality, I've got to be honest. But I really like the look of it, so we'll be keeping it. But yeah, I wouldn't say it was the best quality, and it was very hard to put together, I had to admit defeat. The like plant in the urn, obviously it's artificial, but that's from the range, as is this candle. And the star, I'm obsessed with these stars. I bought another one, wasn't sure where I put it in the kitchen in the end, but I really like them. They're like a rustic star. Here we're burning my favourite candle of all time, which is the Yankee Candle, the sugared apple one, but they've actually discontinued it. So yeah, from time to time my husband will go on eBay and find one and buy it for me, but they're very hard to come by now, so I have to burn it very sparingly. Another artichoke, same size as the other one from Hudson Home. And then this lamp, which actually quite a few people commented on my last video about the lamp, and it's from Next, and it's really nice. It's like, if you can pick it up really, but it's, yeah, you can see it, little bubbles in the glass, but it looks really nice on and off, so pleased with that. And underneath, this is from Dunelm, I think it was like £1, a little trusty IKEA basket, which I think's just got more coasters in it. Yeah, we tend to keep the remotes in there as well. And then a little coffee table book. This is a White Company. It's such a lovely book. I just got it off Amazon, but it looks really nice. And some candles from, well, candle holders from Wayfair. I keep messing around with the arrangement on there till I get it right. I do want something on this wall eventually as well, but haven't found the right thing yet, so I'm holding off. And then the chair is from IKEA. Really pleased with this. The sofa did have a matching armchair, but I didn't like it. It was a bit boxy and it wasn't very big either, if that makes sense. It was boxy but not very big. So we went for this one, which is from IKEA. The legs match perfectly with the sofa we've got as well. And it fits a couple of people on it as well. It's nice and big. It's like a bit more like a cuddle chair. And then the cushion on there is from Home Base, the same as these ones. So yeah, I'm really pleased with how that little corner area turned out. So if I stand back a bit, that is what we're looking like now. So yeah, just a couple of last finishing touches and we're all done. And that is how the lounge is currently looking. So I hope you enjoyed having a little look round. Next time you see it will be when the Christmas tree comes up. So my vlogmas will start with me decorating the Christmas tree. We've ordered a new one, which comes today. So I'm very excited for that. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and having a little sneak peek. If you did like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.